Planned Parenthood Federation of America, INCPPFA, or simply Planned Parenthood, is an American nonprofit organization that provides reproductive and sexual health care and sexual education in the United States and globally. It is a member of the International Planned Parenthood Federation, IPPF. Founder, Margaret Sanger. Margaret Higgins Sanger, also known as Margaret Sanger Slee, was an American birth control activist, sex educator, writer, and nurse. Wikipedia.org. In June 2022, a devastating decision that will reverberate for generations, the U.S. Supreme Court abandoned its duty to protect fundamental rights and overturn Roe v. Wade, ruling there is no federal constitutional right to abortion. Reproductiverights.org. The distribution of women in the U.S. who obtained an abortion in 2021 through 2022 by race/ethnicity. Blacks have the highest rate of abortion at 33.4%. Europe fertility crisis. Which countries are having the most and fewest babies? For the first time since 1960, the number of live births in the EU has fallen below 4 million, one of the lowest fertility rates in the world. Euronews.com. Natural selection, the process whereby organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and produce more offspring. The theory of its action was first fully expounded by Charles Darwin and is now believed to be the main process that brings about evolution. Oxford Dictionary. In the late 1960s, scientists discovered that carbon dioxide was increasing about 0.5% per year. And in the late 1970s, early computer models were able to estimate the impact of continued carbon dioxide rise in temperature extremes, changing precipitation patterns, and sea level rise. climatechange.bctr.cornell.edu. The Paris Agreement is an international treaty on climate change that was signed in 2016. The treaty covers climate change mitigation, adaptation, and finance. According to CIA World Factbook, Nigeria has the highest birth rate in the world at 47.28 average annual births per 1,000 people per year. WorldPopulationReview.com. Another source, Statista.com. Niger had the highest birth rate in the world in 2024 with a birth rate of 46.6 births per 1,000 inhabitants. Angola, Benin, Mali, and Uganda followed. Founded in New York by Margaret Sanger in 1916, today Planned Parenthood is the United States' largest provider of reproductive health care services, from birth control and contraceptives to pregnancy advice and abortion. 2016 study. It's happening a lot faster than we thought. It seems that white people going under the 50% of the population mark might be happening a few years earlier than projected. Study by Rogelio Señez, a demographer at the University of Texas at San Antonio. Fox News. Deaths of non-Hispanic white people now outnumber births in the majority of U.S. states. For the first time ever between 2015 and 2016, new data released by the U.S. Census Bureau show. Countries with lowest fertility rates 2024, Taiwan at number 1, South Korea at number 2, Singapore at number 3, Ukraine at number 4, Hong Kong at number 5, Macau at number 6, Puerto Rico number 7, Italy number 8, Spain number 9, Poland number 10. Y'all get the point. Right, why is this important, family? Because race is associated with genetics. And your genetics is what determines your features biologically, your chemistry biologically, as well as immunological response to substances, to environment. All right, peace and blessings to the family. It's your brother, Omni Amanashi, also known as Omni Omnis, aka the nature God. We in the building. Salute to all the gods and the goddesses of the planet, of the universe. Ashe. Show your support, donate, $, all caps, OMNISNATURA 360 LLC, Omnis Natura 360 LLC. For public events, public speaking, lectures, etc., hit me up, omnisnatura360 @gmail.com.